Stent placement is a medical procedure used to restore and maintain blood flow through a narrowed or blocked artery in the heart. A long, thin, flexible tube called a catheter is put into a blood vessel in your arm or groin. This tube is then threaded into your heart. First, your doctor numbs the area where the catheter will enter your blood vessel. In this example, an artery in the groin will be used. Then a needle is used to make a small hole in the blood vessel into which a tapered tube, called a sheath, is placed. Next, your doctor puts a thin, flexible wire through the sheath and into your blood vessel. The doctor threads this guide wire through your blood vessels up to your heart. The wire helps your doctor position the catheter correctly. Your doctor then puts a catheter through the sheath and slides it over the guide wire and up into the heart. Your doctor moves the catheter into either the right or left coronary artery. Once the catheter is in the correct spot, your doctor takes out the guide wire. Next, your doctor will put a special dye into the catheter. This dye makes the inside of the coronary arteries show up on an X-ray image called an angiogram. The angiogram lets your doctor see blockages in the coronary arteries. These are areas in the artery that have been narrowed by the buildup of a substance called plaque. Next, your doctor slides a tube with a tiny deflated balloon inside it through the catheter and into the coronary artery where the blockage is located. Your doctor places the balloon next to the plaque blockage. Your doctor expands the balloon, compressing the plaque against the wall of the artery. The balloon is deflated and pulled out of the artery. Now the inside of the coronary artery is wider, so it lets more blood flow through the artery. The increased blood flow carries more oxygen to the heart muscle. Your doctor threads another tube with a balloon inside it into the catheter. Wrapped around the balloon is a collapsed metal mesh called a stent. Next, your doctor expands the balloon, causing the stent to expand against the wall of the artery. The balloon is deflated and pulled out of the artery. The stent stays in the artery. The stent helps prevent the artery from becoming narrowed or blocked again. After the procedure, your doctor pulls back the catheter and removes it and the sheath. A tight bandage is then put over the opening in the artery. This bandage stops any bleeding from your blood vessel and helps it heal.